Dear students, a number of mathematical problems we face in our life. It is necessary for us to know the process of solving those different types of mathematical problems. That's why I take some mathematical problem from differential calculus. And I want to introduce you different types of sums of differential calculus and their process, means how to solve those problems. Now look at the sum. Here condition is given to you: if y is equal to this, ax cube by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, and similarly bx square plus x minus b, x minus c, x minus d, cx by x minus c, x minus d, plus d by x minus d plus 1. Then we have to prove y dash by y is equal to 1 by x, a by a minus x, plus b by b minus x, plus c by c minus x, plus d by d minus x. Now see how will you or we solve the problem. See here. Right? Same from here to here, right here. And see, this term can be written as d plus x minus d plus d and minus d will cancel, then 1 by x minus d will remain. That part here, x by x minus d will remain, so that part I have written here. Now second part, second calculation, ax cube by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, x minus d, plus bx square by x minus b, x minus c, x minus d. Same. Now take x common. X by x minus d, take common. Then the remaining part will be c by x minus c plus 1. Is equal to ax cube by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, x minus d, plus bx square by x minus b, x minus c, x minus d, plus x square by x minus c, x minus d from the calculation. Now write as ax cube, x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, x minus d. Now take common from this and this. X square will be common, x minus c, x minus d will be common, then the remaining part will be b by x minus b plus 1. Now, by calculating b plus b minus b will cancel, then will be x by x minus b. X by x minus b into x square means x cube by x minus b, x minus c, x minus d, and that part is written here. Ax cube by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, x minus d, plus x cube by x minus b, x minus c, x minus d. Now again, taking common x cube from both, we will get x minus b, x minus c, x minus d will be common. Then the remaining part will be a by x minus, remaining part will be a by x minus a plus 1. Then finally you will get x power 4 by x minus b, x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, x minus d. Now taking log both sides, we have log y is equal to 4 log x, because it was x power 4. So after taking log, it will be 4 log x. Similarly, minus log x minus a, minus log x minus b, minus log x minus c, and minus log x minus d. Now, on differentiating, we will get 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 4yx. We know log x dy by dx log x is equal to 1 by x. So it will be 4 by x minus 1 by x minus a, minus 1 by x minus b, minus 1 by x minus c, minus 1 by x minus d. Now, divide 4 into 2 parts. Means make 4 into 4 parts, not 2 parts, 4 parts. As 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x. Because here 4 parts are given to you. So write as 1 by x minus 1 by x minus a plus 1 by x minus 1 by x minus b plus 1 by x minus 1 by x minus c and plus 1 by a 1 by x minus 1 by x minus d. Now, by taking LCM and solving, we will get minus a by x into x minus a plus minus b by x into x minus b plus minus c by x into x minus c plus minus d by x into x minus d. Now write. Now take 1 by x common. Then here will be y dash by y is equal to 1 by x common a by a minus x plus b by b minus x plus c by c minus x plus d by d minus x. Here a minus x, here it is a by x minus a by. If we write a minus x, then minus minus will be cancelled. Then here will be a by a minus x. That part I have written here. Similarly, this part b by b minus x, c by c minus x, d by d minus x, and it. Yes, good. That we have to prove. Dear students, this sum is very important and competitive type sum it is. So I have taken this sum to get introduce you all about the different techniques and how do you solve, what method should be used by you all, and you do not feel any type of boring at the type of solving the sum. Apply easy process. As I told you about 4 by x. If you calculate all these combinedly without changing 4 into 4 parts, you can solve. But that was not easy. Easy process is if you change 4 into 4 parts. That I have told you here. And this process, if you apply in your examination hall or at the time of doing sums at your home, inside home or outside in examination hall or any other places, you can solve easily without feeling any type of boring or any type of complex situation. You can solve this type of sums.